Hi all. The information and analytical service is in touch GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will consider each parameter in more detail. If you're interested, you can pause it. We propose to consider each parameter of the organization under study in more detail. We will look at the current fundamentals of the company. Axsome Therapeutics Inc., ticker AXSM. The review was created using current information as of July 5, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets, company Axsome Therapeutics Inc. belongs to the subcategory Neuro. 63 companies take part in the comparison. We will look at the order table at the end of this video. The result for the company in question is as follows: minus 8.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1 point. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the framework of the market in general, we see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 8.5 points for the company Axsome Therapeutics. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Axsome Therapeutics and subcategory companies, we can see that over the last 12 months the stock Axsome Therapeutics showed a dynamics of 30.1%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 3,788.7%. Market capitalization of the organization Axsome Therapeutics valued at $5.19 billion. With a market capitalization of $76 billion, the subcategory is. The company's book value is estimated at $0.05 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $30 billion. By comparing the shares of stock market and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Axsome Therapeutics in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 6.813%. The book value is 0.163%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has debt obligations of $0.195 billion. Debt to book value is 397% of the company's equity. The result for the company's debt level, very bad, minus 2 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 0. Average in subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $278 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $79 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 12. The average in the subcategory is 4.8. Evaluation of market value to revenue ratios in comparison with the subcategory indicators, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $430 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 64.4%, with an average for the subcategory of minus 16.8%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 4.248%. which is 60% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $7,600 and $1,000. And for the subcategory, $4,739,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is minus $407,300, with an average in the subcategory, minus $165,100. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The share of sales per employee of the company is $633,000. In the subcategory, there are $981,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions is 10%, with an average for the subcategory of 6.4%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 51% for the company Axsome Therapeutics, while in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 56%. The company's current share price is approximately $105. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $177. Let's look at the order table. It is available. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made in a given season by the Stock Evaluation Reference System, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities, Axsome Therapeutics Information and Reference System of Assessment GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open the trade for sale at a price of $105.44 per share. The order is opened because the company has a relatively low rating. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment method, the AXsM index. Take profit is set at 78.86. Stop loss is set at 132.02. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically at the end of the session on August 4th, 2025. Or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, SUPN, will be the main purchase transaction. The video of the main deal has already been published on the channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the final price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the help system, GURU.Markets.